Hello traders, you need to know that binary options require a complex strategy. No two fundamental technical oscillator indicators are enough for us to get a stable profit. In this video, I will discuss a complete guide to understand two different indicators, namely the awesome indicator and the MACD indicator, along with trading signals as a reference for making purchase. You can choose a broker from the VFXALERT list or add your platform. We will add X broker offers. Everything is simple. In the settings, select a broker section. Then enter the name of the broker and the binary platform site. Broker added VFXALERT. Select quote in the broker. Because I was already registered, so I went straight to the quote broker. We will test this strategy on a real account. I will show you that this strategy works very well on a real account. Choose forex adaptive. Choose awesome oscillator indicator. Then enter MACD indicator. We confirmed the strategy on VFXALERT. We only look at forex market signals. We do not use OTC signals. The change is defined by the CH change in color of the MACD oscillator histogram and its position to level 0. Yes, the option is opened when the trend reversal is confirmed by the oscillator histogram. The change in color or direction of the 0 level breakout must be the same as MACD. We start trading. A strong downtrend on the breakdown chart downwards from level 0. Second awesome confirmation of VFXALERT. Open a down position. It is recommended to leave the settings all the time. We can change the settings on only two indicators. If we change only one oscillator, there will be many false signals. The green histogram, the oscillator is above the bullish price level option confirmation on VFXALERT.